Okay, this next car wash. Okay, wasn't sure, but okay, there is a door open. Actually, I might just scoot around over here. There's stuff in the bay. There's people working on it. Oh, we'll go at least look. I think yeah, I can squeeze my over here. Oh yeah, whatever that automatic is supposed to be. Just pull through manual bay and take a glance. If it's something cool, probably. I think that used to be like an E-Series magic wand, but with Street View, it's hard to tell because there's stuff in the way. Yeah, I figured that truck is still there from how many years ago? Oh no, it's not an E-Series at all. A Typhoon with superior dryers. Alright, well, on to the next wash. Which is another. Alright, now we're coming up to the Shiznit. Yeah, Shiznit car wash here in Ardmore. Looks like it's open. Oh, they replaced that one too. With a newer Crossfire. The older one in Marietta is still cool nonetheless, but dang. I won't get another cheap one, unfortunately. Card or cash? This guy is it. What are you doing? He's not the owner. Oh. Yeah, no card reader. It's not working on this one. This one used to be an old one, but they upgraded it. There used to be something there, now it's not. Nine, 10, 13, or 9, 12, 13, and 15 for a dually. It's probably one of those special washes for a dually. Well, cash is our only option for this one. Do the 13 then. No jars in this one either. I might be using $13 a quarter for the next Crossfire wash. But yeah, anyway. Shouldn't get the go ahead. Any second now. I think the intro light's on. Yep. Crossfire number 4. Luckily, these 4 trials are pretty easy. You can really, feel where the dip is. Hoping this to be another old one, but no, this one's been replaced to a new one. Still fun. They're cable driven or something? No, belt, I think. $13 wash, no jars in this one. They should have installed some. I get the others. Wonder what it was doing back there for a bit. Yeah, the pre-soak on this one's is meh. This gives us a better view of all the rotating arms, at least. What is this thing doing? Okay, there we go. Dry foam. Let's see. Yeah. Kind of mediocre. So, I think the one in Sulphur was the best one so far. Or that first one at Paul's excuse me, Paul's Valley was pretty good too. Hoping the last one in Marietta's an older one. I love how this thing shakes the car every time. It's interesting to see how these work, though, because don't know really anything else like it besides the Magic Wand Nexus. 3B one is interesting. We're gonna get the other ones. Yep. The other set's on now. Didn't see any wash menu, but I assume the 13 was the same as the 15, you know, but for dual use. And probably a good idea to save a few bucks too. The guy behind me just backed out. Because he changed his mind. And yep, that's the wash. One more Crossfire to go, but we're gonna visit something else neat before that. So yep, I'll be here for this video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. See you on the next one.